Well, here is our mess from the storm last night. And there's plenty of mess too. A lot of chainsaw work out here. This one took the fence down here. Neighbor over here caught it on his side. Got a bunch of mess here. Bunch of trees down here, and look at this bad boy down there. That's a big one. There's my small burning pile, which I just started. There's Cracker checking out everything. There's Touchstone back there. Oh, I got a lot of work. Lot of work. Look at all this stuff down. Poor place, it's a mess. That big old tree we gotta cut up here tonight. It's a good thing it didn't hit that fence. Whoa, I'm tripping over stuff. Heavens, or stuff even fell on the horse graves. Broken branches hanging off the trees. Oh, geez, we got our work cut out, that's for sure. Look at all this. Lord have mercy. Yeah, Cracker, it's a mess, huh? Why don't you help clean up, huh? And there we go, back towards the house. Well, that's it.